Hello YouTube, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your speaker on the left side of your headphones. And first, yes, when you get your headphones, you will have these earpads on them. I had them off for video's sake, but just to show you, they'll be on like this. You'll use your prying tool, pop them off. You'll go in one side, go on the other side, and they come off pretty easily. And the tools you'll use today, totally forgot to start with that. Prying tool, Phillips, tweezers, soldering iron at 500 degrees Celsius, always a smart one, and some super glue. You might need a heat gun, but you can also use a hair dryer, blow dryer, something that has heat. We'll start off here. You got 3 Phillips 2.0 screws. Pop out those mamma jammas. Boom, opens up like a treasure chest you've never seen before. Now you look at this, got a lot of wires. Be very careful. Don't rip any of these wires. But what you want to start with, you have the 2 speaker wires, the 2 wires you need to disconnect. This is where your soldering iron comes in handy, and your heat gun. I'll first show you that you sometimes are able to remove this glue without heat. It's a little difficult sometimes it's easy. I think it just matters where the headphones are from, a cold state or warm state, but just like that, see, without heat, I was able to remove the glue. You gotta be careful though, if it's stuck around the wire, pulling off so you don't rip your wire. But I just want to get in there just like that. And let's just say you're able to use your flathead or your prying tool to get rid of that glue. You grab your heat gun for a few seconds, go over it like 5 seconds, check with your prying tool if it's soft enough and it comes off. If it doesn't, go another 5 seconds. Don't go for like 30 seconds and then, I'll retry after. You want to go 5 seconds at a time just so you don't burn out the driver or you don't melt all the plastic around. Once that's over with, grab your soldering iron, your tweezers. You can use your hand. I just got fat fingers. Been to McDonald's too many times this month, but that's for another video. Pop those wires off. Always remember which wire goes where. But yeah, with most headphones that I've worked on, especially in all the Beats, when you look at the speaker from the plus and minus like this, red is always on the right. With the Studio 3, Studio 2, Solo 2, Solo 3, Solo 4, red is usually always on the right if you're looking at it this way. But take a photo just so you don't forget. You forget that your headphone's gonna have some weird buzzing sound or noise cancellation won't work. You don't want to deal with that. Now you want to grab your prying tool and pry. That was not supposed to happen. That came out way easier than it should have. Let's just put that back in there, pretend that did not happen, and show you how to do it if it doesn't come out that easily. You want to go around like this into the edges here, and you pull off this green glue. You want to rip this glue off like that. You just want to rip all the glue off. Then you're able to get in between there and pry up, and it should pop off like that. Toss your old speaker away, grab your new speaker. For the sake of the video, I am using the same speaker, but the speakers we provide or speakers you find online won't have this green glue around it. That's where the super glue comes in handy. Remember, wires here, soldering points there, down and in. Make sure you don't catch any of these wires in there. Now you want to solder the speaker wire back on there. Feels like I've said wire 1,000 times. So we're not going to worry about that word anymore. And once the speaker wire is, well, I just said it again. It's like that meme, proceeds to say wire after saying he won't say wire. Once that's soldered on there, that's when the super glue comes in handy. You grab your super glue, you put a very thin, very small layer all around here. It will look like this without the glue. Without this green glue, it'll look like that. And there's a small gap. You want to put super glue all in there, but don't put a lot. Like a very thin layer, just quick and easy, right over it so it doesn't leak down in there. Just enough to cover up the holes so your sound won't be off on either side. If you leave some gaps, there might be a little sound difference. Nothing major unless you have sensitive ears, then that will buzz you off really badly. Once that's on there like this, place this back on. You want to be very careful. You want to tuck this red wire in behind the AUX port. You want to make sure all the wires are tucked and not in the way of these holes right there and right there. When you screw the headphones back in together, you don't want to screw the wire in. Double check, triple check if you need to. Then you can check also down here. If you see no wires in the way, you most likely are good. Grab your screws, screw it back in. Boom, grab your ear pads, put new tape on them unless you have the old tape, keep it on them. You have pinpoint, pin, pin. You can't really see right there. Pin, pin, match those up like that. Boom. That's how you replace your left speaker on your Solo 4 Beats. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.